Look at this. I'm back again, and we got a seagull. I think there's another one over here. So we zoom in. There's another seagull. There's another seagull. I hope there's more. Honestly, yes, there are more seagulls. More and more seagulls. You see this one? Hold on. Okay, there. Okay, there, I'm back. Is it it? Just seagulls? Let me zoom out. Huh. Wait. There's another one over there. I can't see because of freaking focusing. Come on, focus, focus. That's not a seagull. What is that? Well, okay. I guess I'm gonna end the video, everybody. Hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.